What's up, guys? Adam here, back again with episode 2 of the Distillery Exclusive series. This week I'm doing the After Dark Distillery out in Sicamous. This is actually their first batch of whiskey. The mash bill is 75% corn, 15% malt barley, and 10% oats. This was finished in a newly charred American oak barrel, and I'll be making a whiskey smash out of it. So enjoy. All right, so the whiskey smash. The whiskey smash is nowadays more like a whiskey sour with mint in it. The way it originally had started was whiskey, mint, simple syrup, ice, and then the fruit, like the seasoned fruit, would go in it. That's pretty wide open, so you can literally put any fruit you want in it. It's a very, very flexible kind of a drink, a smash. It's absolutely delicious. This whiskey works really well in it. But this week, so the After Dark Distillery out in Sicamous, this is actually their first batch of whiskey they've ever made, or at least the first they've ever released. This is batch 1, bottle 288, released in about May, I believe, of this year. 75% corn, 15% malt barley, and then 10% oats. Aged for 3 years in a newly charred American oak barrel. So they definitely went mostly corn, which is a very North American thing to do. Batch 2, which I also have, is just released about a month ago. Same mash bill, but aged in a Jack Daniel's barrel for the exact same amount of time. So, but anyway, that's this week's episode. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my whiskey smash and get back to it. Cheers.